What if the most beautiful, fleeting spectacle in our sky isn't what you think it is? What if rainbows aren't just pretty arcs, but hold hidden secrets about light itself, secrets that challenge our very perception of reality? We chase them, we marvel at them, yet we rarely stop to consider the profound physics painting these ephemeral masterpieces. Today, we're going beyond the simple explanation you learned in school. We're going to uncover a truth about rainbows that is both deeply personal and utterly mind-bending. Prepare to see the world and the light within it in an entirely new way. At its core, a rainbow is a grand performance of light interacting with water. Sunlight, which appears white to our eyes, is actually a symphony of colors, each vibrating at a different frequency. When a ray of this sunlight encounters a tiny spherical raindrop, something extraordinary happens. First, the light bends as it enters the water, a phenomenon called refraction. But not all colors bend by the same amount. Violet light bends more than red light, causing the white light to split into its constituent colors, much like a prism. This is dispersion. Once inside the raindrop, these separated colors travel to the back of the sphere. Here they hit the inner surface and reflect, bouncing back towards the front. This is internal reflection. Finally, as the light exits the raindrop and returns to the air, it refracts once more, further separating the colors and sending them towards our eyes. It's a precise, elegant ballet. Refraction, dispersion, reflection, and refraction again. Each raindrop acts as a tiny, perfect prism, meticulously sorting the chaos of white light into the ordered beauty of the spectrum. But the story doesn't end with a simple arc of color. The size of the raindrops plays a crucial role. Larger drops produce more vivid, distinct colors, while smaller drops create fainter, more pastel rainbows. Sometimes, if the drops are very small, like in mist or fog, the colors can even blur into a white fogbow. The angle at which you view the rainbow is also critical. A primary rainbow always appears at an angle of approximately 42 degrees from the anti-solar point, the spot directly opposite the sun from your perspective. This precise geometry means that for you to see a rainbow, the sun must be behind you and the rain in front. Sometimes you might even spot a fainter secondary rainbow above the primary one. This occurs when light undergoes two internal reflections inside the raindrop, reversing the order of colors and appearing at a wider angle of about 50 degrees. And then there are the supernumerary bows, faint repeating bands of color just inside the primary arc, caused by the wave nature of light interfering with itself. These are subtle whispers of light, revealing the quantum dance within. But here's the twist, the profound realization that changes everything. If rainbows are formed by light reflecting off individual raindrops at a very specific angle relative to your eye, then are you really seeing the same rainbow as someone standing right next to you? The answer is no. Every single raindrop acts as a tiny mirror, reflecting sunlight to your eye from a unique angle. The raindrops that create your rainbow are not the same raindrops that create your friend's rainbow. You are each seeing light reflected from a different set of water droplets, forming a unique personal arc in the sky. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, it has real-world implications. Understanding how light interacts with particles and surfaces is vital for calibrating optical sensors in everything from satellites to smartphone cameras. Photographers, chasing that perfect shot, know that the quality of light, the size of atmospheric particles and their own position are paramount. They are, in essence, chasing their own personal light sculpture. Even the lens flare in your DSLR, often seen as an imperfection, is a complex dance of light reflection and refraction within the glass elements, a miniature controlled rainbow. So the big reveal: rainbows are not fixed objects in the sky. They are personal light sculptures, unique to each observer. Everyone's sky paints a slightly different prism, a fleeting, individual masterpiece crafted by light, water, and your specific vantage point. You are not just observing a rainbow, you are an integral part of its creation. The rainbow you see is yours and yours alone. It is a testament to the subjective nature of perception, a beautiful reminder that even in shared moments, our individual experiences of reality are profoundly unique. The universe, in its infinite complexity, paints a masterpiece just for you.